That range is used by police officers for training, but neighbors in the city's Highland Park neighborhood say the sounds of gunfire are taking a toll on their mental health, especially for kids in the area who can often hear the sounds of gunfire from parks like this one. It's sounds like this that have neighbors like Joy Katz on edge.
In this neighborhood, teenagers and kids live in constant weapons fire, and it's assault weapons fire, and it's very loud, and you can hear it with the window shut. It's traumatic.
Katz is talking about the sounds coming from the city of Pittsburgh's open-air firing range, which is on the other side of Washington Boulevard from Highland Park. She started a petition asking the city to shut it down. At last check, the petition has over 1,200 signatures from neighbors like Leo Castagnari.
I woke up to incessant gunfire, and I'm retired, and I would like to sleep in a little peace in the mornings. And this isn't unusual, but this morning it started at 7:15. Usually it starts at 8, and it was, I think, because of some of the mass shootings in the last few weeks, it was really disconcerting and triggering.
The Highland Park Community Council says their issue is nothing new, and their concerns aren't anti-police.
The sound is our police officer in training, and we know that, and we want them to get their training, but that doesn't make it a comforting sound.
Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reached out to the city, who says they are working on a solution, but until then, the range will remain operational. A statement from the mayor's office reading in part, quote, "The mayor is firmly committed to allocating funds in the 2024 budget to begin design work on a new shooting range that will ensure our officers are adequately trained to handle their firearms." The statement goes on to say this is a problem that has existed for nearly 40 years and one that does not have an immediate short-term solution. And until a solution is able to be reached, city officials say anyone who hears that gunfire outside of normal business hours on weekends or on holidays should contact the city so they can investigate. This is, of course, a story we will continue to follow. For now, reporting from Highland Park, I'm Lily Coleman for Pittsburgh's Action News 4.